Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Journal Embellishment Challenge number 31. And the prompt is fashion, and I'm going to make a pocket. I have my journal here in which I store or glue or put my Journal Embellishment Challenge in, and well, it's way too thick already and I'm short of pockets, so that's why I'm going to make a pocket. I have some stuff here, some book pages to make the pocket with, and I found an old from an old magazine from, I don't know if there's a date on it. I think something in the 50s. Yeah, I think I know I have a few magazines from that time, so I think it's 1955, 54, something like that. My birth year, 54. So I think I'm going to use this one, but I like this one too. But is it fashion? Yes, it's underwear fashion, I think. Well, I have this. Well, it's more doll fashion, and some papers to collage with. And I have, of course, more papers to collage with. Just all kinds of scraps and a few boxes over there. And I got some stuff from a friend of mine, and I think, and there are buttons in it and some lace, and I think I like a button, a big button with that, just for a tuck spot or something like that. Well, we'll see. When I'm going to use this one, I have to have a big pocket. Does it fit in the journal? Yes, it fits. So it's going to be a long, so I'm just gluing those two pages together. Yeah. Where is my glue? Oh. Well, I pick a new stick. Oh, things are falling apart here. Just gluing two pages together because otherwise it's a bit too thin, I'm afraid. Well, it's heavy paper, so maybe I could do that, but something like that. And now I'm going to collage it with this paper. I love this paper. Something like that. Oh, I love this side too. No, I'm going to use this side. It's been used, I see. Yeah. This is a pattern, and you could lay it on pattern paper, and then you could do it with, I don't know if I have such a thing lying here. Well, I have 3 of them. Well, you can, with that thing, you can make little holes in it, and then you can see it on the pattern paper. And you can cut it out. I think they still do it that way. Something like this. Well, And I'm going to tear this one out. If I succeed, I hope so. Oh, that was a little bit of the shoe. And you can't see the background anymore. Oh, maybe I can do it another way. Maybe I can do it this way. Something like this. And I have to put something over here. Like that. And another piece. Just going through my scraps. Something like that. Yeah, that fits. Yeah, something like that. And maybe I should do this thingy. Dralon. That's well, a kind of fabric. A sword. Fabric sword, how do you call that? Where should I put the button if I use the button? Over here? Over here? I don't know. I just glue this on. And now I'm going to cut this. Something like that, I think. Oh. It wasn't dry yet. Something like this. So. And I think I'm going to tear this, maybe that way, maybe a bit more. Something like that. And how just an empty page, something like that. Yes, I think I like that. Yes, I do. And maybe the button over here, but I'm not sure. Maybe I keep it simple, because when I put the button on here like a tuck spot, I could do that, but well, it's bulky. I think I'm going to leave it this way. Just coloring the edges a bit with, what shall I use? Ground espresso this time. That was the gathered twigs. It's a bit greenish. So, and this is more brown. Yes, I like it. Maybe I could do a little piece of lace. For my friend as a little tuck spot. I like it so much. It's all kinds of thingies. Oh, I like this one. I like this one so much. Little ducky. I have two of those duckies. A little piece of fabric. So kind of her. And little pieces of lace. I like this one. Should I do that or shouldn't I? I don't know. I don't do it. I leave it this way. Simple. I just can put something in there. I think this is enough. Keep it simple, honey. Keep it simple. Because the journal is busy enough. So, and when you put something in there, my birthday card. Well, it's a bit too big, this one. But something, well, the buttons could do. Just the buttons in it. Yeah, I like that. Or another card. It doesn't matter really. I have this one left. It's a bit too big too. And a tag, of course, a tag with tags. I keep it this way. So, easy peasy. So this is my pocket for in a journal with a prompt fashion. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.